Christmas comes early. May 29th, I got an email from DJI about the new Ronin-S. So I immediately placed an order. But then the waiting game begins, right? This was not supposed to arrive until Monday, but arrived today a little bit earlier. I happened to check the FedEx tracking and it said out on the truck. And I was like, ooh, exciting. We get to do an unboxing, right? So let's open this thing up. If you're not familiar with the Ronin-S, it's the new gimbal from DJI that's supposed to be geared for DSLR style cameras. So that's what this is. This was ordered direct from DJI. I know some folks were getting them from B&H or other places like that. There it is. That's what the package looks like. Nice box with a cool picture on the front. Handle. So if you're familiar with any of these, this is a styrofoam style box. Has a very nice clasp here, locking mechanism right here. So you pull this out, turn it, and inside is all the goodies. You have your traditional silica gel, which is just a pinch between the cheek and gum, you know. Don't put that in your mouth, that's a joke. So inside we've got a charging block. This nice little container that has more silica gel, but also looks like cables, connectors, thumb screws, things like that. But this is a nice little box. You've got the Manfrotto style plate. This is the battery grip. Good for about 12 hours according to what we've heard. You've got your tripod that doubles as a handle also. Has a nice rubberized texture to it as well. And then you've got the main body of the unit, if I can get it out of here. It is packed in here really well. Pretty tight packaging. So the pretty standard stuff for people who are familiar with gimbals. Follow focus wheel on the side here for manual focusing. your standard thumb connect, movement, buttons and so forth. So let's see if we can get it assembled. If you're familiar with these, I had a Zhiyun Crane 2 that I had for a while, but I actually got rid of it because it didn't work. The follow focus didn't work with the software they had, and it just didn't seem like it was fully baked, as I like to say. So I got rid of it and was waiting for DJI to come out with theirs, something that was a little bit better. So basically the way this thing works, it appears, is that it just slides on here. And you've got this nice connector on the side that you push to lock. And it's a pretty solid feel. Two different screws on the bottom to put different size tripod connectors and so forth, accessories. And that's how it kind of stands. So you can see from that perspective, here's the follow focus wheel. Now this can be taken off. So if you don't use the follow focus or want the follow focus, you can take this off. There's a cover plate for it as well in the pack. And then of course, you've got your plate that'll go in here and so forth. Lots of cables and accessories. So basically that's the Ronin-S unboxing. It's a nice looking unit. It is heavy, I'd say, by comparison to the Crane 2 that I had. But the textures and the feel of it is a lot better. So this is rubberized, sort of the textures are rubberized. There's real good grip to it. It feels substantial. It feels like it's definitely higher, it feels higher quality, I guess. So these are currently pretty hard to get a hold of. I know a lot of them are on back order. If you order one, I think you probably need to plan on 2 to 4 weeks at least, probably before there'll be more. I don't know what their pace of shipping them out is now, but again, I ordered this on the 29th and received it today on June the 28th, so almost 30 days to receive this from the time they made the announcement. So we'll do another video where we'll show you, once we get everything set up, give you some sample footage of how this thing works. So thanks for following. See you again soon.